can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be talking about the full drop list for week 3, which is the TNF drop. We did cover it in a video yesterday, but today we're going to cover the full drop list. I might or might not take super long making this video because honestly I'm not trying to be up here too long recording this video, but if you do end up enjoying this one, slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So since we did cover the TNF stuff in yesterday's video, we're going to talk about the drop list first, then we're going to work our way on to the TNF. I do love the TNF that's going to be releasing, and I feel like the resale is going to be there for it, so I will cover it in detail a little bit more down the line. But right now, let's start from the bottom of the list and work our way up. We got this worldwide mesh 5-panel. This shit, what direction were they going with it? Honestly, my homie from Ghetto Echelon sent me a package that I'm waiting to show you guys. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you right now the difference between this mesh hat and the one from Supreme. This mesh 5-panel is actually fire. This shit is like an actual trucker hat, and they actually do have these on sale right now, but this is gonna be in a future video. I don't really want to unbox this in this video, but check out Ghetto Echelon if you're already on here. This hat is definitely fire. The one from Supreme is ass. Like, come on, let's be realistic. This shit is butt cheeks. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it right there. Next up, we got the church on a Sunday, party on the day before shirt right here. This is the one that you wore on your family outing. You was about to go to Fridays, then you took this shit straight to church next day. This is not the best, bro. Like, some of these colorways are just not for me. These are the TJ Maxx specials right here. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it right there for you guys if you do want it, but we do have like this qualite or quality sweater right here. This is basically another sweater in my opinion. I feel like this is not down my alley. If someone likes crew necks, this is probably more for them, but this isn't catered for my style. I love throwing on a hoodie, calling it a day. I'm not the person to wear crew necks, and this shit looks like it's Lacoste. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm good on that one too. It's not that bad, but it's not that good. My favorite part on it definitely would be the ribbing, I guess. We do got the checks embroidered denim jacket, and we got the pants as well. I feel like the denim jacket is I would honestly want to see what it even says on it, but typically these all over print jackets do okay. The pants end up doing way better down the line. I am low-key a fan of the pants. The jacket could low-key hold the tip though. It's not that bad. I just feel like the ribbing at the bottom gotta bounce. Like, if that shit was a normal jean jacket, probably, but this ribbing gotta go, to be honest. We do got the pants, which I do feel like are a little bit better than the actual jacket. I feel like it correlates better on a pair of pants. I could see myself wearing this with a simple hoodie because the pants are already doing all the talking, and some simple sneakers, some all-white Air Forces, you chilling. But next up, we do got the Gems hooded sweatshirt. This one is probably full of rhinestones on the front. It has Supreme spell out, and it just looks like different color rhinestones. It doesn't look that bad. It says Higher Learning NY. It kind of has like this high school collegiate football basketball team type hoodie feel to it. Isn't that bad though. In general, I personally wouldn't go for it. It's not my cup of tea, but I do like that baby blue colorway. I just feel like it looks really clean in my opinion. We actually only have a couple more lookbook pieces, but this isn't the full lookbook. Next up, we do have the color block zip up sweatshirt. They typically don't even do zip ups, but this one isn't a bad iteration of it. I definitely am a fan of that gray with the red and the black, and then I am a fan of the all black one. That shit is definitely fire. It kind of reminds me of that hoodie that had Supreme right here on like a little patch. It's like a little area that says Supreme. Is definitely fire in my opinion, and I wouldn't be shocked if this hoodie ends up doing good or selling out fast. I feel like it's actually a pretty decent hoodie, I'm not gonna lie. Personally, I would probably end up going for the sweatpants in black. Them shits are a must. That's like an everyday pair of sweats for me. I definitely am a fan, but I do like the pants more than the hoodie. We do got the BB Simmons belt. These shits remind me of the SpongeBob belts from mad long ago, to be honest. This isn't bad. I do like it. Will I wear one? Never. I just appreciate it as an artwork, bro. Like, I'm not gonna wear this shit a day in my life. I'm not the person to to wear BB Simmons on the belt. Like, that's just not me, bro. Like, I'm good. Like, I just need me a regular belt. When shit is scarce, I'll fuck around, wear a shoelace if I have to, and just tie it. Hey, you gotta make it do what it do when you gotta do the do. These shits are alright. Them shits probably gonna be like $400 at that. Shit could hold a tip. Next up, we got the Arc Applique short sleeve top, and if I must say so myself, this is probably the best lookbook item dropping this week. Shit is fire, bro. Like, some of these colorways are definitely hard. Like that mustard with the blue on it, fire. That lilac purple with like the black olive green font, fire. The micro line, micro stripe looking ass, that's my favorite one. That shit is bruh, like that shit had my eyes tripping when I first saw it. This shit is fire, fire. Like, come on. Definitely am a fan of that. We do have a couple more pieces releasing that aren't from the lookbook. It's the TNF collaboration. I'm gonna talk about a couple pieces from here, then we're gonna get straight up out the building because my camera's finna die. That's low-key why I'm talking hella fast right now. We got the fleece jacket, which is at the top of the whole list, probably because of the price. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this is probably gonna release for like $288, $328 maximum, while the rumors for the jacket is that they're gonna drop for $648 to $698 because you do have to buy the vest included. That's steep. Everybody gonna be going for the fleece for that simple fact. I am a fan of the fleece though. It's pretty clean. I definitely am a fan of like that yellowish color. That's probably my favorite one. The red one kind of looks like an infrared, like a pink color, but low-key it would go hard with these right here. These are the infrareds from like 2015. I know I didn't get the 2019 pair, but if I already had these, it wouldn't have made sense. But it's this kind of pinkish red, like an infrared color. Definitely clean, but I don't know if that's my cup of tea. I would low-key just wear the black one. Next up, we do have the jacket with the vest. I feel like it's fire, but they could have done it as two separate pieces, to be honest. I feel like it's just too expensive for the regular consumer, which then again isn't bad for the people who are willing to dish that type of money out. Like, if I buy this jacket, I'll probably not want to wear this shit. It's like a $800 after tax type jacket, and that's not it right now. Like, I'm trying to save for a whip. That's not the direction I'm headed towards. If I do buy it, I'll probably end up reselling it in the future. But we do have this balaclava, which is okay. I'm not gonna talk about it too much. If you want to see me talk about the TNF drop, I'm gonna link a card up here for yesterday's video. But the balaclava, you feel me, that thought green with the coronavirus fully protected mask on it, you set. Then you got the gloves as well to protect you from these streets. Like, you good. You got the gloves and the hat, bruh. You don't need nothing else. We do got this backpack, which is actually something that I do want to talk about. I feel like the backpack is super clean because once again, they did that 2-in-1 type of feel to it where you could take like that lunchbox looking ass bag off the top of the bag. Then you got a bag under that shit, which is insane to me. Both of the bags have branding, so you could probably actually sell one of these and then keep the other type shit. Like, I don't know why they doing these 2-in-1 bags, but I'm down. Like, I just feel like the price is gonna be double because of that shit and we're gonna be penalized. But then again, you never know, so we're just gonna have to wait for drop day and see what's going on. Hopefully they're not taxing on it. But we got a couple more pieces from the TNF and then we're straight up out of here. We do have this turtleneck right here. As I was saying yesterday, if you get the dark green color, you throw some black sweats on with the black Air Force Ones from Supreme, bruh, you are the corona cure. Like, I'm trying to tell you, you gonna be good. But this turtleneck right here, I would only get it in the black for like a fancy dinner. Throw on a little silver chain, boom, you killing them softly. But I'm not getting none of these other colors. Like, if you're not doing white or black, and you bold if you wear the white one, because that shit gonna get dirty by you breathing on that shit. The black one is definitely the way to go. Next up, we got this utility pouch, which is actually pretty clean, bro. If worse comes to worse and I'm in need of making this live cop, I'm gonna end up buying this utility pouch. It doesn't hurt to just hang it right here. You know, I don't even care what color I get. I honestly wouldn't even go for the black, even though it's the most useful one. I'd probably end up going for like that green or that yellow. Probably the yellow. I don't know what it is about TNF and Supreme and yellow. Like, I just end up going for that shit. But we do got one more piece from the collab to talk about, and it is this tee. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Yesterday I was talking shit about this tee and it might be growing on me. Like, I don't know, bro. Like, at this point, the price on the other shits is making me want to like this tee, but I really don't like this tee. Like, it's hard to explain, bro. It looks like it has a vest or you're wearing a book bag. Have y'all y'all ever seen the shirts that have like the baby on the back, like he's in the little shit on the back or the front from Hangover? That's what this shit reminds me of. Like there should be a baby in that shit. It's just weird. I don't know, weird memories. The shirt is if you feeling it, hey, whatever you guys like, buy it, bro. I'm not trying to stop y'all from doing what you do, but I'm trying to stop myself from doing what you do. You know what I'm saying? Like this is not for me. I'm good. If I can't get those color block sweatpants, which I feel like in black down the line, they probably will do good, just like the hoodie as well. If I don't get the black color block sweatpants, the fleece, and if I'm feeling spicy, the jacket, I might fuck around end up with the shirt, or I might end up with the utility pouch, and we just gonna call it a day. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and slap that like button down below. Let me know if you would like me to make more of these type of videos by commenting your favorite item that's coming out, letting me know what type of videos you would like me to make. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Today's post notification shout out goes out to the golden child. Shout out to you, homie. He put Doc Green as the comment. It doesn't matter what you comment. I'm gonna probably just end up choosing a comment that I like, but if you guys do join the post notification gang, go ahead and send me proof on my Instagram, which stays up here normally, and I will also give you guys a shout out at the beginning of the live cop. So go ahead, send me proof that you entered the notification gang, and hey, I might go ahead and just give you a shout out. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel